Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to comment on someone's note using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it easier than ever to connect and interact even from your computer. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can start commenting on notes and join the conversation right from your desktop. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Find the Messenger icon. It looks like a speech bubble with a lightning bolt inside, and click on it. This will open up your direct messages. Now, within Messenger, you'll notice a section at the top where notes from your friends and people you follow are displayed. These notes are short messages that users can share with their followers, and they appear right above your chat list. Scroll through the notes until you find the one you'd like to comment on. Click on the note you want to respond to. A chat window will pop up, allowing you to type your message directly in response to that note. This is your chance to share your thoughts, ask a question, or simply react to what your friend posted. Type your message in the text box at the bottom of the chat window. Once you're happy with your comment, just click the Send button. Your message will be delivered as a direct reply to the note, and the person who posted it will see your response in their DMs. It's that simple. With this new update, Instagram has made it more convenient to interact with notes from your computer, so you never miss a chance to connect. Give it a try and keep the conversation going no matter where you are. Thanks for tuning in, and happy commenting!